Setting up Bankful on BigCommerce takes less than 10 minutes. Once it's live, your customers can pay by card, ACH, or a digital wallet right inside your checkout. Let's walk through it. Start on the BigCommerce app marketplace. Search for Bankful. Open the listing and click Get this app. You'll land on the installation page. Log into your existing BigCommerce store, or if you're new to BigCommerce, click Sign up to get started first. Select the store you want to connect and click Continue. You'll see a permissions panel inside your BigCommerce admin. Review it and click Install. Then check the PCI compliance checkbox and click Confirm. Next, click Enable Bankful Payment Gateway. You'll be prompted for your API key and API secret. Find both in your account settings at paybybankful.com. Paste them in and click Login. On the Bankful configuration page, select your override method from the dropdown. Bank deposits is the most common choice. Then click Update Configuration. The green confirmation means your store is configured and your integration is active. That's it. You're now ready to accept payments.